Morning, guys. It's frosty. You can see I washed the truck off. Got the bugs off that sucker. Another beautiful day here in Florida. Wife washed the car. Got it all cleaned up. I washed the motorcycle. Got it all cleaned up. Blood bugs, man. Blood bugs. This is the new system that I've got. I do have, I went out for a ride this morning. I didn't hook anything up. And just riding out this morning coming back, you can see, well, I don't think you can see it, but I've got some bugs on there. A few bugs on the windshield. Not any on the forks, not much. But, like I said, I'm using a new microphone. I'm using a lot of the new stuff on the motorcycle. I don't know how this microphone picks up. There's some wax on there, or I waxed that sucker. Curious how the bright. And you saw me put this on the other day. I like the look of that. Worked out pretty good. I put that on, which is the theme. You can see it down on the side here. I may be in too close. Yeehaw! I didn't do that. Oh man, look at that. Just going out this morning. Bug hit right there. Look at that. You can see it. I'm telling you. Blood bugs are something else. But they're almost gone. I really love that motorcycle. It's one of the best that I've had. I've had the Ultra Classics and I really like this Road Glide. I like the Ultra because my wife can sit back there, I can haul stuff, and I like to travel. Mark from the Dunright Ranch is coming down for Oktoberfest in October, and he and I are going to try to ride some. He's going to be down for 7 or 8 days. He and I are going to try to ride him. I'll try to take him out from some of the Florida, maybe go over to the coast on the Gulf Coast side, as well as the Daytona side. Daytona's just, it's too businessy, you know, a lot of traffic. But I'll take him over and show him the Gulf Coast side. It's beautiful out there this morning, guys. Oops, I lost it there. But it is, it's a gorgeous, gorgeous day. This is Frosty, and I'm out.